Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate Mentorship Program. How to find self-storage buildings for purchase. I want to look at self-storage, so I've gone to Argus, which holds itself out as America's premier self-storage brokerage firm. Argus has property for sale. They specialize in them. So let's just go take a look at properties for sale. Here they are. Now we're going to have to make some selections. They have 81 properties available across the United States. We can search current listings. So let's go and pick something. What the heck? I'll pick Illinois. And we'll go ahead and pick less than $1 million properties and see what they have. I've got a couple of them here. I've got two, and one is $700,000. The other is $950,000. Well, let's just look at the modest one. Look at the details here. Looks like a clean location, doesn't it? Clean building. There we go. We've got the information. 131 units. But they don't give us any numbers, do they? No, they don't. But you could put it in here. You could put your request for information. You could pick up the phone and call Bruce and say, hey, what's going on? But we got an executive summary. What do we got here? Let's take a look at the executive summary. Are we going to get more information? Yes. We got the price and we got a cap rate. We got a cap rate here of 8.37. We have an NOI for the current year. We just had to click a button. So Route 6 storage in Seneca, Illinois. A very high historic occupancy. 8.37 cap. Not bad. Built in 2008. It's relatively new. Room for expansion. It's got extra land. There it is. There's your pictures. It's awesome. And it's right there. It's outside of Chicago. Is that nice? You can find that information. Argus, ARGUS, -selfstorage.com. If you want to find self-storage, I use them to help find properties that just make sense. It's 16,000 rentable square feet, 131 units. Look at the picture. It's clean as a button. And if they're offering an 8 cap, might you get it for $600,000 and push it up to a 10 cap? Yeah. If you don't ask, you don't get. You can take that information and plug it right into my software. I'm giving you the inside scoop how to do it. Now we could have done this on LoopNet too, but they don't have a button for self-storage. We'd have to scroll through all the industrial to find it. If you really want self-storage, go to Argus. I have no economic interest in this thing. I'm just telling you who, if I were looking for one and where I look, it would be with Argus. Self-storage. There's your numbers, and there's how you do it. Please just click the button for the executive summary, because it's all there. Is that good? Hit print, save it, call, whatever you want to do. We're good. This is what it's all about, helping you become an informed, intelligent, commercial real estate investor. Take care.